Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this short video I'm going to talk about Repricer, which we have in Arbitrage Hero. To access Repricer, you need to go to your inventory and then select Inventory Repricer menu from here. On this page you will see your inventory and you will see the number of units which you have in your inventory. You will also see price which you are selling this particular item for, and you will also see a cost of your product which you have paid for it if you have provided Arbitrage Hero with your purchase information. If you want to use our repricer, we have three repricers. We have lowest competitive offer, we have lowest FBA offer, and we have buy box match repricers. The lowest competitive offer means that Amazon returns a list of offers with competitive prices, and sometimes the lowest price in those competitive offers are lower than buy box price. But if you want to match the lowest price in the list of competitive offers, then you can do it by selecting this particular repricer. The lowest FBA offer means that your price will be matched to the lowest FBA offer which is available on the listing, and match buy box repricer will be trying to match price of your product to the buy box price which is currently available on the product listing. You can also set the minimum price and the maximum price which you want to sell the item for, and once you have done it, you need to press this small save button on the right hand side, and it will save your repricing information for this particular item, and Arbitrage Hero will start adjusting the price according to the repricer which you have selected. Please note that you shouldn't use different repricers from different suppliers on the same products. So if you have another repricer, then I would recommend you to use one repricer on one product set and another repricer on another product set. I hope that this video was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.